Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool thermometer here, and basically what this is an instant read meat thermometer. We basically use it for anything else you guys want to as well, not just for meat. So if you guys want to check like your temperature for like your soup or water or whatever, you can definitely use it as well. So you see, this is basically what the packaging looks like right here, and it's from the brand called Inkbird. If you turn it to the other side right here, you guys can see they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. So supposedly for this product here, you can definitely use it wireless. You don't actually need to plug in a cable to use it. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks right here. If you guys can see, it actually looks pretty cool. They do have the brand logo right here, and they have a button right here. And then right here we do have the display screen. So I'm actually take it out first. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that there's some stuff in the back right here. So they basically provide you guys a USB to USB-C cable. So I'm assuming you guys actually use that to recharge the product. And then right here, they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to actually use the product right here. But once we take out the product, you guys can see that this actually looks like on this side right here. If you flip it to the other side right here, you guys can see this actually looks like the back part right here. So right here, we have the new option where you guys want to put it onto your meat, or if you guys want to put it onto your soup or anything else. To actually check the temperature, you definitely can. And the way how you guys take it out is very simple. You just have to go like this and just pull it out like that. And once you guys pull it out, you guys can see how it turns on by itself. And once you guys push it back in, it turns off by itself. And we see it on the side right here, we do have the option for you guys to actually plug in the cable right here. So we open it up. That's what it actually looks like inside right there. Then definitely plug in the USB-C cable to recharge it. But definitely love how they actually have this sealing option right here. So that way the product can be water resistant or waterproof. And you don't have to worry about any water getting onto here. So now let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how to actually charge it first. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the side right here and then plug in the cable. Once you guys plug it in, you can definitely see that it is charging right here, because it shows you guys the battery life on there as well. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the screen will turn off, or it should show you guys right here. But that is basically how you guys charge the product right here. So when you guys are using the product right here, if you guys need to change the temperature on here, you basically want to press and hold this part right here. And that changes Celsius, if you can see right there. If you guys want to change it back to Fahrenheit, you guys want to press it again. And it changes to Fahrenheit right there. And also in the back part right here, it actually has a really strong magnet on here. So if you guys want to actually stick it onto your refrigerator, you definitely can as well. So I'm actually going to test this out first to show you guys how it works and when actually it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got a bowl right here, and I do have some hot water right here. So I'm actually turn on the product first. So basically I want to actually pull this open like this. And that way it actually turns on. So right now it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit. But once we add the water inside right here, it should be much hotter. So just add a little bit of water in here first. Alright, that should be good enough. So you see the steam that's coming up from right here is definitely pretty hot. But let's test it out. So you see the temperature on here is definitely going higher and higher. So it's averaging around like 180 degrees and slowly going down. So you definitely see the product definitely does work, and it does give you guys a fast temperature reading on here. Alright, so we got the product right here. If we want to stick it on the refrigerator right here, you can see it definitely does work. So that way you guys can actually stick it onto anywhere that is magnetic, which is super convenient. So that way when you guys are ready to use it, or if you guys need it, just take it out like that. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, and the product definitely see that actually does work, and actually works quite well. Literally all you can do is stick the pointy part or the needle side onto your meat, your product, your soup, or whatever to check the temperature on there. And you see the results or the reading is actually really fast. You definitely will see the result like really fast within like a few seconds. But definitely love the fact of how she has like the auto off and auto on option. And I also really like the fact of how she has like the magnetic option on here as well. So that way if you guys want to stick it onto your refrigerator or somewhere else, that is actually really convenient as well. But that is basically everything that is on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys cook a lot, and if you guys need to check like the temperature inside like your meat, your fish, or whatever, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.